What is up, everyone? This is Motors, and today I'm going to show you how to create a solo server on your Roblox account. So let's get right into this. So if you're trying to create a solo server for Roblox on whatever experience, I'm going to show you what to do to essentially create it. So let's utilize Grow a Garden as an example. So if we go into this specific game, over here you can see it's usually at the top. You can see like the About Store server section. So in here, just click into the server section, and you're going to see over here create private server. So this can be paid or free depending on the experience. Just be careful on which one you're about to do. Like, you don't pay, even though the buy now says there, so you want to just be careful what it says at the top, because it says create a private server for free. So I'm just going to do this as an example, and then you click into customize, and voila, you're in that private server. You're able to do like friends or allow people to join. You just turn it off right now. No one can join. It's just for you. You play on your own. So yeah, that's basically it. That's all you need to do, and you're basically good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that more tutorials out. Peace.